everyone, my name is Nidhi R. Reddy and I am coming from Bangalore. My school is DPS Bangalore South. We are here for a youth fellowship program for nature conservation, and when I first came to this place, I had a special connection with the nature. Over here, I question myself why everyone pollutes the nature so much, what's happening with it, and here everything felt so real that for some time I lost connection with myself and I was fully into the nature, and the nature gave me a lot of peace inside my mind, because when we sat in the river streams coming and hitting our back, it felt like we're talking with the river for some point. To be honest, I'm feeling very good, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this, but when the first thought which came to my mind when I thought about this is, after going home, I tried to reduce my internet as much as possible, try to go out, because I've got to know that there are many mysteries and gifts hiding in the nature which I can find anywhere if I want to. So probably I'll go out for like a everyday walk, connect with the nature, reduce my internet time and work with the nature.
Hello all, my name is Sahana Rajaraman. I'm coming from Bangalore. My school is Delhi Public School, Bangalore South, and today I am here to talk about my primary learnings from all the sessions that I've attended. First of all, I knew that there was something called environmental law, but I didn't know it so deeply. I didn't understand what it was. So attending the 2-day sessions about it made me get an idea of what it is, and I actually understood what it is. So now even if people are talking about it and telling there's nothing to do about, I know there is something I can do about, and I can tell those people, give them a bit of information. Coming to the river ecology and marine conservation, I had a basic idea about what is marine conservation, but I never knew that it was so deep, and how the corals are dying, how the fishes species are getting so extinct in an indirect way because of us. That made me feel very empathetic about it, and today when we went to the river walk, I was able to connect with all the fishes, with the water and everything. And for the first time, I felt really happy that I was not using my phone or internet. I didn't want to touch it. But as a value addition, I can understand. I think it has taught me that we should value the tiniest thing in our life. We should observe. Observation is very important, and listening is very important. More than telling our thoughts, we should first listen to other people's thoughts. And basically the last night's owl walk, it showed me so much, and I understood that there are the owls who are getting disturbed because of our touch, because we need to see. That was a very selfish thing, and I decided not to do that again. Even though I had my uncomfortabilities, I had to adjust, because that's what nature is doing for us, and that's what we should do for them as well.